Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Pull up the fastening latch on the plus terminal to disconnect it. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Open the plastic guide for the positive terminal cable. Remove the cable. With a small flathead screwdriver, separate the holding tab, then unclip the whole of the box and position it so that it doesn't get in the way of future movements. Remove the plastic covering from the battery. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. With a socket wrench, a long extension and a 10mm socket, remove the nut and take off the fastening plate of the battery. You can now remove the fastening plate. Pull up the negative terminal latch to disconnect it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Put the fastening latch on the negative terminal. Ensure that the terminal has been fully inserted as much as possible. Refit the battery cover. Reposition the cover. Reconnect the electrical wiring. Lock the positive terminal fastening latch. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.